Vietnamese President Nguyen Phuc meets with his Russian counterpart Vladimir Putin as the two leaders discussed bilateral relations, including trade, military cooperation, and regional issues. The visit takes place in the context that Vietnam and Russia celebrate the 20th anniversary of this strategic partnership and prepare for the 10th anniversary of the Comprehensive Strategic Partnership, which befalls next year. Both countries are seeking more cooperation in the pandemic fight as Russia has transferred technology on producing Sputnik V COVID-19 vaccine for Vietnam. Besides energy, security, and defense, Vietnam and Russia are also joining hands in tourism, where Russia is one of the largest clients of Vietnamese tourism, sending nearly 1 million visitors per year to the Southeast Asian country. The two countries also continue to enjoy growing bilateral trade as it enjoys a 15% increase in 2020. The newly identified Omicron variant has captured the world's attention as it puts the world on edge. We have the latest news on the new coronavirus variant as a growing number of countries report confirmed cases. Saudi Arabia has detected its first case of the new coronavirus variant, Omicron. The case was detected in a citizen coming from the North Africa region. The infected individual and his close contacts had been quarantined. The case marks the first known instance of Omicron being detected among Gulf Arab nations. Over in China, residents in Inner Mongolia lined up to get tested for COVID-19 as a recent outbreak of coronavirus put neighborhoods under lockdown and initiated rounds of mass testing. China reported 91 locally transmitted cases, all of them in Inner Mongolia. China has insisted on a zero-tolerance policy for COVID-19 and puts in place large-scale contact tracing, neighborhood lockdowns, and mass testing whenever local cases are detected. Japan begins to administer coronavirus booster shots to healthcare workers as the country prepares for the onslaught of the surging caseload and the Omicron variant. About 77% of the Japanese population are fully vaccinated. Meanwhile, neighboring South Korea hit a record Wednesday as the daily jump in coronavirus infections exceeded 5,000 for the first time since the start of the pandemic. A Delta-driven surge has also pushed hospitalizations and deaths to record highs. With the spread threatening to overwhelm South Korea's hospital capacities, health experts have called for officials to reimpose stricter social distancing rules that were eased last month. In light of the Omicron variant, Portugal reimposed coronavirus measures to try to contain a new surge in cases. Portugal is tightening control in all airports, seaports, and land borders as part of new rules that came into force. Wearing a face mask will once again be mandatory in enclosed spaces, and a digital certificate proving vaccination or recovery from coronavirus must be shown to enter restaurants, cinemas, and hotels. In the meantime, Canada added Nigeria, Malawi, and Egypt to the list of African countries from which it was banning travelers amid concerns about the spread of COVID-19's Omicron variant. Canada has also expanded its travel ban as the Netherlands acknowledged that the Omicron variant appeared to have reached that country before it was identified in South Africa last week.
Pas entrer au Canada s'ils ont séjourné au cours des dernières